Shit, y'all already know what time it is. You already seen that VRSF. And then we got another little surprise right here. Sure. So, we about to unbox the new turbos and the front mount intercooler for the 335. I'm gonna wait till my boy gets here so he can hold the camera while I unbox these. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. I ain't a fan of waiting, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do it. I don't like waiting. Yep, first impressions. Yo. Put that somewhere. Yes, sir. Got the. I know it's hard to see, but these are the VRSF stickers. I'm about to throw those on the car somewhere after I install it. And then I had to cop this. I'm finna spray paint the VRSF on it. What's inside box number 1, 2? Oh yeah, inlets. No, I mean, fuck. I'm tripping. These are screws to hold it up. Got your shit. Alright, let's see the bad boy. Let's see the bad boy. I ain't gonna cap. I like this packing. I like the way they pack this shit. Whoo! Oh my god. Oh my, this shit is heavy. Hold up. God damn, boy. This shit is big as hell. Look at that. Oh my god. This thing is a beauty. This thing is a beauty, boy. Yep. That's that. Now it's time for the big boy. So, what's inside box number 1? Let's find out. So, box number 1, we got some clamps and we got the inlets. So, inlets. Ooh. That bitch is heavy, man. Damn, 2 separate boxes? Hold up. Here we go. What is this? Instruction manual. We'll look at that later. Off rip. Okay. Let's see. Let's see the girl. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. Damn, she look good, boy. Ooh. Whew. Oh my God. Turbski. The Turbski is here. I'll go ahead and put it back in the box, because yep. Turbskis. I need to go take the other one out. Fuck it. Well, yep. Turbo inlet front mount.